I got involved about 1999. There was a little ad in the paper saying that the football club was going back to the council. We just went along to that meeting to see what was going to happen. A gang of women ended up standing up at that meeting to be the new committee, just to have this football club in our community. We didn't want to lose it. It's really family-orientated club. There's not much else in this town for kids.
We started off with a grass pitch, a field basically, with no support, and now we've got this lovely 3G pitch. You know, 26 teams, just everyone's welcome, and on match days it's just really, really special to be part of.
Mae'n lot mwy o cara wan oes. Pan mae'n i'n fach, fi oedd yr unig hogan yn tîm hogia, bwa mae'n lot o tîms gynod, so mae'n peth da I gynod.
There's a lot of roles within football that women are needed for. The funding we've had from the FAW and Sports Wales, the advice, the help, the guidance is second to none. Not in a million years did we imagine that we'd be still here 17 years later, let alone how big it's gone.